Starting your first solar project can be daunting. You might struggle with the calculations, compatibility between products. Renogy aims to simplify the process with our new Super Calculator. This online tool will walk you through the sizing and selection process step by step. Get started on the main dashboard by selecting your appliances. You can easily customize the rated power, rated voltage, current, and estimated usage time. Make sure every device is on the list and let the Super Calculator do the math. Once you have finished the appliance input, the Solar System Setup section is triggered. The Super Calculator can automatically generate possible solutions and product combos based on your specific power needs. After specifying your conditions and application restrictions, such as the mountable area of the rooftop and expected installation region, you can easily find the right product for your tiny home. You can always get inspiration from the tips section, or compare the pros and cons of different product types, and choose the product that fits your needs best. You can review your full customized energy report in the key metrics section when you are done. The Renogy Super Calculator will be your personal solar consultant from inverter to batteries, panels, and charge controllers. Once you are ready to begin installing your new solar system, you can head over to our new wiring diagram feature. The diagram includes all the bus bars, fuses, and specified cable sizes required for your particular solar system. Planning, calculating, sizing, and installing your power system has never been easier. The Renogy Super Calculator puts you in control. Start building your solar setup today. Find your energy independence at Renogy.com.